This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Johnson Controls expanding Danish plant to increase production of Sabroe-brand heat pumps by J. O. Haraldson. Published July 29, 2025. Johnson Controls has announced it is expanding its Holme manufacturing facility in Aarhus, Denmark, to increase the production of large-scale Sabroe-branded heat pumps for commercial and industrial applications. The Holme facility, situated on 14 hectares, 34.6 acres, manufactures customized Sabroe heat pumps and chillers, including units using ammonia, CO2, and propane. The expansion, expected to be completed in early 2026, will add 2,300 square meters, 24,560 square feet, of manufacturing space and 1,800 square meters, 19,375 square feet, for testing high-capacity equipment. This expansion highlights our ongoing commitment to meeting the growing global demand for solutions that empower businesses to create smart, healthy, and sustainable buildings, said Richard Leck, President of Europe, Middle East, and Africa, EMEA, at Johnson Controls. Our heat pumps are helping customers meet multiple priorities at once, from ensuring uptime and performance to dramatically lowering heating costs and emissions. Along with the expansion, the project will also upgrade the existing buildings at the site and create 100 new manufacturing jobs, according to Johnson Controls. Acquired in 2005, Sabroe celebrated its 125th business anniversary in 2022. Its first refrigeration system, a CO2-based unit, was built in 1897 by Thomas T. Sabroe. Measured benefits. Johnson Controls outlined the economic and environmental impact of its heat pump installations in Europe. Heat pumps save a food manufacturer in Spain 1.5 million euros, 1.75 million annually in energy costs at 2 facilities, while cutting the yearly CO2 emissions by nearly 2,000 metric tons, according to the company. A 27-megawatt, 7,677 tons of refrigeration capacity district heating system in the Netherlands uses 4 ammonia-based Heike HP Sabroe units to heat 20,000 households in Utrecht and Nieuwegein. The system, commissioned in September 2024, cuts the district's annual CO2e emissions by 30,000 metric tons. Johnson Controls reports that in 2024, its heat pumps helped reduce customers' annual heating costs by 53% and CO2e emissions by 60% around the world. Validation opportunity. The new testing center at the Holme facility will comply with EN 14511, the European standard for testing and rating heat pump performance. Customers can collaborate with Johnson Controls technical teams to test high-capacity heat pumps under simulated real-world conditions, the company said. Market drivers. Several factors, including government regulations, incentives, and corporate social responsibility targets, are driving the market for large-scale natural refrigerant heat pumps. The European Heat Pump Association estimates that heating accounts for more than 60% of industrial energy consumption in the bloc, which highlights the potential for heat pump-driven electric systems to enhance energy security, affordability, and sustainability, Johnson Controls said. At the 47th Open-Ended Working Group, OEWG, of the parties in Bangkok, the European Union underlined the potentially harmful effects of PFAS, per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, associated with synthetic refrigerants and the benefits of leapfrogging directly to natural alternatives. Quotable: Since Johnson Controls acquired Sabroe, our Holme team has continued the legacy of innovation by producing sustainable heating and cooling solutions, said Bente Klokker-Holme, Vice President of Manufacturing Operations, HVAC and R for EMEA at Johnson Controls. Working together, we meet the needs of businesses and help pave the way for a greener future,